getting ready for a doubleheader in Charlotte tomorrow. I'm playing 2 weddings, and first one is 3:30 to 5:30, and then I have one 15 minutes away that is from 6:30 to 8:30. So 2 shows. First thing I'm gonna do is just get all the information I need from the emails. So yeah, so playing the ceremony and the cocktail hour essentially. She got the ceremony music and a nice little list for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making my playlist. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. And can't take my eyes off of you. See, everyone likes the Frankie Valli version, but I'm like, I think I want Lauren's version. All right, y'all. Comment below who did it better, Frankie Valli or Lauryn Hill. It's too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off of you. This one just rides. Come on. I need you, baby. So what I've decided to do is for the weddings, because I really do like Lauryn Hill's version, I'm going to play the Frankie Valli version during the ceremony, and then during the reception, I'm going to play the Lauryn Hill version. What I'm doing now is, since I've just finished the playlist for the ceremony, now I'm going to make a separate playlist for the cocktail hour. I'm going to have more than just songs for the hour, especially since I'm going to be there while people are loading in. So like I said, the first one I'm going to start the cocktail hour with is the Lauryn Hill, Can't Take My Eyes Off of You. I like to make my playlist off of YouTube because since I'm playing off of tracks, and a lot of the tracks are, that I find are on YouTube if I don't make them myself, I can see exactly how long my set is. So. All right, finished up the cocktail hour playlist, I think. So I'm just gonna check the playlist length. Let's see, so it is 2 hours and 16 minutes, so that's plenty of music. So this is why it's always important to follow up with the event planner beforehand, because my second wedding, the time frame got moved. I thought it was starting at 6:30, but it is now actually starting at 9. So next thing I'm probably gonna work on and do, figure out my hotel situation. I always try to get a hotel kind of near the venue, if I can, if it's not crazily priced, because I am not that bougie. I just need a place to lay my head. I do have standards though. The hotel is booked. We're staying at the Courtyard Charlotte. Saxophone is already packed. Got my gig bag. Stopped by the house to grab clothes. Load the car and we out of here. I'm coming from Atlanta, so it's about 4 hours to my hotel in Charlotte. I got in around 11:45 p.m. We made it to the room, and of course it is freezing cold up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night and get up in the morning and start practicing and getting ready for my shows. So it's now the morning. Went out to grab my instrument from the car. So I'm gonna practice the ceremony music a little bit and get dressed and ready to go. Gotta get fresh and clean. Cannot forget these batteries.
I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go.
Damn, I look good. So my setup for these type of gigs is usually a Harbinger MLS 1000 speaker tower and a Natty Satellite 100 wireless sax mic. I realized I didn't eat this morning, so I checked out Jack in the Box just because they don't have this in Atlanta. Welcome to the Quail Hollow Club in Charlotte, North Carolina. Probably won't have footage of me setting up just because I have to coordinate for the ceremony. This is the vendor room for storage. I was supposed to give the officiant a handheld mic for the ceremony. I forgot it, so they are currently using my saxophone mic.
Sunday dinners with many courses served. and limit golf to only once or twice a week.
Congrats to the lovely couple. It's cocktail hour time. Yeah, I quoted the work song.
Great job. That's cool. Yeah, man, that's good.
All right, now that's over, I'm done, and it's time to pack up. These are my horns. There are many like it, but these are mine. I always get this right when I'm about to leave.
You don't happen to have a card too. My daughter's getting married next week.
First gig is done. Probably gonna go to the hotel, relax for a little bit, and then get ready for the second one. I have about 2.5 hours till my next one at 8:30, so I'm just killing time. It was dark, so I didn't get an actual picture of the venue here, but this is the Duke Mansion in Charlotte, North Carolina. So for this wedding, I'm playing for the reception, so I'm working with the DJ, so I'm just plugging in my wireless microphone into this mixer. I didn't get any footage of me performing at this one, but this is the vibe. All right, so we done. I'm going to go inside and change and relax for the night.
It's a real good story, blood guts type glory, but now winning any category. I was told one day by a lady in a church I would cash big checks and I believe.